Well, my opinion would be, maybe throw them a bone on the weekends if the prices are going to be a little higher, and give them a minimum, stay, like on a Monday through Thursday.
Hmm.
So literally, say you have friends and family that are here for 5 days. Block off the calendar just on the weekend and have them pay for the Monday through Thursday stay, just so that your listing gets what it needs from the algorithm, so that you stay current.
Hmm.
And you still, and the nice thing about it is you still can give them an offer that's way better than what they would get somewhere else. And the truth is, if people value you and they value your business, whatever the rate is, they'll just pay it because they want to support you.
Yeah.
I mean, I have friends that have restaurants. Yeah, I go into their restaurant